Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we got a 2018 Toyota Rav4, and on this Rav4 we're going to go over how you would remove the airbag control module. It's a square module. It's located under the center console here, and we're going to go over how you can remove it to be able to ship it in to get it fixed or reset due to you've had an accident and your airbags have gone off. So to start with, you'll want to, there's more than one way, but you'll want to just spin your gear selector knob off. Pull the e-brake up a little bit, just for ease, because we're going to pop this cover, and we're going to pop this cover off. And then open the cubby here, because when we pop this cover off, we want some access here. So you're going to take your good non-marring tool and work your way around. You can start here. And pop that up. Now you also want to pop this cover up and off so that you can spin this when you pop this out. That. Okay, so with all the pins popped, you can move this and you can twist it a little bit, and there is one electric connector under here that you would undo. It's this connector right here that connects up to this to tell you which gear you're in. So you would remove that, and then we can just set this aside, and now we'll be able to access one bolt right here to get to the mod. With that cover removed, we now have full access to everything under here if you needed to do anything else. But right here we have one bolt right here to be undone, and we have these electrical connectors, which is all one. Just push that tab and then you can pull the whole unit out. And then we want to remove that bolt, and that is a size 12. So with that one removed, we have two more that are behind here, but they're under this console, and we don't have to take out the whole console. We just have to pop a cover off on the back, and so we'll go over and do that. So just go ahead and close this cover back, because we have a cover right here that we're going to pop. So from the back here we have this cover that's covering here. Move this seat a little bit forward so that we have easier access. So you just need to use your good non-marring tool and just be able to pop in under there and pop the clips and hold it on, and then you can just move and set this to the side. We don't need to completely disconnect that power source. We can just push that to the side, and then right down here are going to be two bolts that we're going to undo, and then we can slide that whole module out the back. So you see these two bolts right here, that's what we're going for. So with those bolts removed, we can you gotta just kind of pop it up a little bit, and then you can pull the whole airbag control module out so you can ship it in to be repaired. And then when it's repaired, you'll just put it back in the reverse order, sliding it through and hooking the electrics up. So that's how you remove your airbag control module from your 2018 Toyota RAV4 and other various Toyota models would be very similar. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.